Good morning. So it is Thursday, December 3rd. Today is going to be a very chill day because I feel like with having friends over that stayed a few nights and also has 3 girls, our house just got really messy and I feel like I just need to clean. So that's what today's video is going to be. It's going to be kind of a deep clean slash sanitize a house. So right now I am doing my to-do list. I do this every single day. I just feel that it helps me get everything done that I need done, and I just love the feeling of like checking something off. So yeah, I write everything down in my bullet journal. Anyway, so I have a bunch of laundry to do. I want to go and clean up everything. I'll kind of show you. The kitchen isn't too bad, and the dining room table, I just have to like clean up this stuff. It mostly goes upstairs. And then the family room, it's not too bad. There's just like little knickknacks and stuff everywhere. And then like Bentley kept like bringing me his toys last night, so that just has to be picked up. And then the formal living room also just needs to be picked up. There's like some laundry that didn't fit in the basket, Bentley's laundry that needs to go upstairs. I just need to like organize this stuff.
Give me something new. I want it back, through and through. Just do it, I'll let you rule. I know you like to break the rules, and my cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you.
Okay, so I have finished downstairs for the most part. I still have another load of laundry, but I have moved on upstairs. I started to make our bed, and then our loft is very messy. Cleaning the whole house. I'm pretty happy about it. It looks good. I do have one other thing to do, which is clean the bathrooms, but I think I'm going to do that when Bentley goes down for his nap, or just do it tomorrow because I feel so tired and I'm like sweating. But I'm making us lunch right now. We're going to have a pizza. We're just going to share one. But yeah, I will show you kind of the end look of what it looks like. Hoping that it stays this way at least until Austin gets home. But yeah, my pizza's gonna be ready in like a minute, so I will show you afterwards. Okay, so finished look. Here is kitchen table. There's blue. There's that's the tea I'm drinking, so don't mind that. Bentley, he's eating right now. Hi. And then living room, all clean and vacuumed. Oh yeah, hi. Formal living, all good. And then upstairs, you have the loft, Bentley's room, all his laundry's put away, and then his bathroom. I cleaned all of his bottles, cleaned up a little bit, and then our room. Made the bed. I moved this plant up there so I could have these cute little trees right here. And then our bathroom. I haven't cleaned it yet, like the counters or anything, but I think I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. And then our closet. Laundry is all finished. I feel so much better just having like a clean space and just like clean area. And of course, like I already know it's not gonna last that long. I'm just hoping that it lasts at least until Austin gets home from work, because I want him to see how productive I was today. I'm just picking up some last minute things that Bentley got into. He grabbed a diaper. But yeah, so I think I was gonna like clean the bathrooms and stuff while Bentley slept, but I'm thinking that I'm just gonna like chill, drink my tea, and read my book.